Hi everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to supersize your pout using Seraphine Botanicals. First, I'm going to exfoliate my lips with the Apple and Mint Lip Polish. The golden sugar based formula gently works to buff dead skin cells away, while rich avocado and apricot oils work to repair chapped lips. Scoop a pea-sized amount onto lips and gently massage away dull skin. Now I'm going to be using this warm wet flannel just to wipe away any of the excess scrub. Next, I'm going to be using the Carrot and Rose Hydrating Facial Serum. This will moisturise and prime my lips. Warm 1 to 2 drops between your fingers and dab onto your lips. Next, I'm going to apply the Cassis and Cream Lip Stain. A buttery, hydrating, long-lasting lip stain, this soft and creamy formula delivers impeccable coverage and a serious colour payout. Formulated with a combination of blackberry extract and mango seed butter to help boost elasticity and transform chapped, dry skin into succulent, cushiony lips. Next, I'm going to apply the Sun Illuminating Bronzer underneath my bottom lip, giving the illusion that I have a fuller, plumper lip. Infused with sunflower extract so that skin will appear healthy, radiant and sun-kissed. Finally, I'm going to be using the Pear and Agave Luminizer and Blush Duo. However, I am going to be applying the Luminizer to highlight my Cupid's bow. So this is my finished look. My lips are feeling much more plump, healthier and so much more voluminous. All the products used in this video will be linked in the description box below. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching.